guys, I'm Archana. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be talking to you guys something really important. So I wear makeup 4 or 5 days in a week at least. I get exposed to sun, dust, pollution. It's not like only I get exposed to such things, but you guys too. But the funny thing is, a lot of you guys come to me on my Instagram DMs and be like,
Archana, you have such beautiful skin, you don't have acne, you don't have pimples, how do you maintain it?
Yes, I maintain it, but to be honest, it's just my makeup talking, and also I have a good editing software, so don't be blinded by it. And coming to the part where I maintain my skin, I do these few things that helps me keep my skin really good or really clear. So yes, I thought why not share it with you guys. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Generally I wake up like this. It's not the ideal I woke up like this, but this is how I look. And I have these eye bags, which is because I watch YouTube late night, I watch Instagram reels, I stay up late night editing and all this stuff. That's why I have these eye bags. So I do one thing, that is I massage my under eyes with a wet green tea bag. This is how I do it. It's a wet green tea bag and I massage it for at least 5 to 10 minutes. For those of you all who don't want to go for green tea bags, you can always go for this eye lift cream from Bella Vita. I have been using this for almost 2 weeks now and I have seen really good results. I had very bad dark circles. For those of you all who closely know me, they know how bad dark circles I have, but yes, this has obviously, like, it has helped me with my under eyes, and I would recommend you all to try this. It has cucumber, jojoba and basil. It helps repair dark circles, helps in curing puffy eyes, helps as an anti-wrinkle and an anti-aging eye solution. So you can definitely try it. So now I've applied it, and believe me, it's like a cooling agent. For those of you all who want to reduce your puffy eyes, or want to reduce wrinkles, or want to reduce your dark circles, I would recommend you all to try this.
So this happens a lot of time. We usually touch our face even before washing our hands. Germs can spread from other people or surfaces when you touch it. So always remember, before you touch your face, wash your hands, because you wouldn't want the germs to fall on your face.
No matter what you're doing on this earth, never forget to keep yourself hydrated. A lot of you guys don't drink water, but guys, please drink water, because if you drink water, your skin remains plumpy. It reduces blemishes, reduces wrinkles, reduces pores, also reduces irritation on your skin. So don't forget to drink water.
I myself am thirsty. So yeah, drink water, guys.
So back then I used to wash my face in 10 seconds, but then I realized there was something called the 60-second rule, where you pay attention to your skin and even what you're doing, like remembering to cleanse around the edges of your nose, under your chin, and even around your hairline. So guys, please make sure you wash your face for at least 60 seconds to get a good clear skin. For all those of y'all who thought I have a very flawless skin, it is not true. I have pigmented skin. If some areas of the skin are pigmented, this vitamin C serum from Zooping helps to balance the skin tone, and after daily usage, the fade pigmentation gets reduced automatically. Zooping vitamin C serum comes with amazing ingredients that make your skin glowing, as well as bring a youthful glow to your skin. If you have a thin, dry or a dark lip, then all you need is a Zooping lip serum. It makes your lip look pinkish, keep your lips moisturized, make your lips smoother and softer, helps you get plumpier lips, make your lips look shiny, and you can also use it as a primer or lipstick for sparkly and attractive lips. So guys, I also meditate. The increased oxygen rejuvenates your skin, balances your body, your mind, it improves your complexion, reduces wrinkles, and slows down the aging process from the inside out. So guys, a lot of times we keep our phones in places we don't even remember, but when you find it, you don't sanitize it. Please sanitize your phones either with a perfume or a sanitizer. Here I'll be using a perfume from Bella Vita, which is a strong perfume, and I generally don't use strong perfumes, but believe me, it smells heavenly. So as I don't use it on a daily basis, I use it as a sanitizer for my phone, and it works well. Your pillowcase has a buildup of oil, dirt, and sweat from daily use, which means it can harbor bacteria and cause allergies. In some cases, pillowcases can even damage your hair or skin, so wash it at least once in 3 days or 2 days.
So guys, now you're looking at me sitting on the floor, and guys, whenever you come to my home, you'll always find me sitting on the floor because I find comfort there. So now here I am to show you what I do in the night for my skin. So I apply this oil, Parachute Advanced Aloe Vera enriched with coconut hair oil. So I apply this. If you go for natural coconut oil, it's better, but now I don't have it, so I'm going for this one. So I take a little and apply it on my hands and as well as my legs, especially the knees, because it won't be as nourished as your other skin. So I make sure to apply there more, but make sure to apply it everywhere, okay? So
Don't look at my legs. And just because I'm showing you, don't look at it.
and massage it properly, like do it in circular motion, so it will be better. You might find it gross or you might find it really chippy, but if you need nourished legs, then you have to do it, guys. That's how it works.
And don't do it on your bed because तेल गिर जाएगा बाद में, and you don't want to clean that mess later, so it's better you do it on the floor.
You can see the difference actually. I feel like this looks a little dry and this looks a little moisturized. Like I feel you can see the difference.
It looks more whitish and this looks more nourished and good. So if you're wondering what I'm talking here, don't worry, it's just me blabbering about my life which you wouldn't want to hear. So yeah, don't worry about it, you did not miss anything. So what's next? Going to sleep.
So guys, after you apply coconut oil, one more thing I will say you is get enough sleep, because as much as you think all these products are important for you, the same way sleep is as well. You should at least have 6 to 8 hours of sleep.
So if you exceed, it's fine because I sleep a lot too, but
Get at least 6 hours of sleep, 6 or 7 hours of sleep. So these are the tips I use to take care of my skin. Yes, there are a lot of natural methods, and yes, it is a slow process, but believe me, it's for the best. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Also, please do like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for more such videos. I love you guys.